Good day, teachers. Age problem po muna tayo as per request. So, we will have 10 problems with a twist para may challenge ang ating analysis. So, umpisahan po natin sa problem number 1. Kyla is 24 years old. Kyla is twice as old as Erin when Kyla was as old as Erin is now. How old is Erin now? Ano daw po? So, himay-himayin po natin para ating po maintindihan. Ang una po natin gagawin ay gagawa po tayo ng table para mas malinaw po nating maintindihan ang details or ang conditions may given ng ating problem. So, 3 columns. First, for the names, Kyla and Erin na given sa problem natin and yung panahon na kino-consider sa problem. What do we mean by panahon? Just like this one, the first one. Kyla is 24 years old. So, present time. Present time, Kyla is 24. And maghahanap pa rin po tayo kung ano pa ang sinasabi para sa age ni Erin at present. So, how old is Erin now? So, yun po pala yung hinahanap natin. Therefore, let Erin's present age be equal to X. Then, ano pa po yung isang panahon or time na kasama sa problem or tinutukoy sa problem? Here, was. Therefore, past time or nakaraan. Atin pong balikan ang nakaraan. Charot. So, ang sabi po dito, when Kyla was as old as Erin is now. Kung ano raw po yung edad ni Erin ngayon, ayun din po ang edad ni Carla or ni Kyla nung past time. So, hindi po natin alam kung ilang years ago po ito. Kasi was lang po yung sinabi sa problem. So, magkasing edad daw po si Erin at si Kyla. So, kung ano yung edad ni Erin ngayon, ayun din yung edad ni Kyla sa nakaraang panahon, nakaraang taon. Okay. So, ito pa po ang hindi natin nahihimay. Kyla is twice as old as Erin. So, dito, ang present age ni Kyla, so Kyla is, so present age 24. Twice as old as Erin. Therefore, 24 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 12. Paano po naging 12? X is equal to 24 over 2 which is equal to 12. So, ayan, malinaw na po. Ulitin po natin. Kyla is, di ba, 24 which is twice as old as Erin. Okay? Ayan. Noong magkasing edad daw po sina Kyla at si Erin. So, ayan. Noong X years old si Kyla, 12 years old po si Erin. Pero hindi po natin alam kung ilang taon ang nakakaraan. Okay? Ang tanong po ngayon ay how old is Erin? Given this data, paano po natin masusolve ang X? So we have the present age and the past age. Ang constant po natin dito ay yung age gap. Bakit po? Example, sa akin po. Ang age gap po namin ni Kuya ay 6 years. Therefore, yung age gap namin no grade 1 ako ngayon at sa susunod na mga taon ay constant po na 6 years. Hindi po yun magbabago, 6 years. So, dito, paano po natin siya i-apply? Therefore, at present, ang age gap po ni Kyla at Erin ay 24 minus X. Nang nakaraang mga taon, X minus 12. So, dahil constant po yan, edi i-equate po natin. So, paano po? Magiging po tayo, 24 minus X is equal to X minus 12. Okay? Then, input po natin sa ating calculator. Although, kaya naman po natin yan i-simplify, but meron naman po tayong calculator na pwedeng tumulong sa atin. So, let's grab it na po. Then, Shift Calc. So, ang laki ng tulong ng ating calc. And Shift Calc or Shift Solve function. So, Erin's age is 18. So, ayun po. 18 years old po ngayon si Erin. Therefore, ito ay 18 din. Ilang taon po yung nakakaraan? 24 minus 18 ay 6 years ago. So, 6 years ago po pala ito. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Okay? 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So, we're good. Tingnan po natin kung anong letter si 18. So, the answer for number 1 is letter B. Hindi po 12. Okay? So, problem number 2. Oh, by the way, ang kailangan lang po talaga dito sa word problems ay mai-translate po natin sa mathematical sentences or mathematical equations ang English sentences. Okay po? So, kailangan po talaga dito ang analysis. More on practice lang po para mas mahasa ang ating comprehension. And, syempre, kailangan po nating balikan yung pagta-translate ng English sentences into mathematical equations or expressions. Kailangan po yun. So, we have video for that. Isasama ko na lang po. Ipipin ko na lang po para madali po ninyong ma-access. Problem number 2. The sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is, so, ang mga ito po is, was, kailangan po natin yung tandaan, is 18. So, we have present and in 3 years. In 3 years, sa darating na 3 taon. Therefore, present and future for number 2. Kim will be as twice as old as Kevin. What are their ages now? So, is present, ayan, we have X and Y. Present age ni Kim ay X, present age ni Kevin ay Y. And in 3 years time, ayan, future, 3 years after, mag-a-add po tayo ng 3. Kasi kung 15 po tayo ngayon, in 3 years time, magiging 18. So, ganun din po dito, i-apply din po natin yan. Then, kapag nagawa na po natin yung ganito, makakagawa na po tayo ng ating equation. Kapag sanay na po tayo, no need na pong gumawa ng ganito. So, ito ay sa nag-uumpisa pa lang para masanay, and kung saan naman po kayo mas mapapabilis ay doon po tayo as long as tama po ang ating sagot. Then, the first condition, the sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is 18. Therefore, the present is present po tayo. X plus Y daw is equal to 18. Okay? Then, in terms po natin, halimbawa, ito po si Y in terms, ayan, equate natin para ito ay isa-substitute natin sa second condition. Nang sa gayon ay iisa na lang ang ating variable. So, ganun lang po para ma-solve natin kasi usually dalawa ang ating variable or higit pa, depende sa problem. The second condition, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. So, in 3 years, ito na po ang ating consideration. Yung age ni Kim ay X plus 3 na magiging twice daw ng age ni Kevin, which is Y plus 3. So, ayan. Then, itong 18 minus X ay isa-substitute po natin dito. Okay? So, ganyan. Then, ito na po yung ating ita-type sa calculator. At tutulungan na po tayo ni calculator sa ating problem. So, X plus 3. Actually, mas mapapabilis kung isi-simplify natin. Pero kung halimbawa talagang hirap mag-simplify, then calcu will help. X plus 3. Then, dahil we have equal sign, shift calc or shift solve equal sign, the answer is 13. So, si Kim daw po ay 13 years old at present. Then y is equal to 18 minus x. 18 minus 13. So 18 minus answer, we have 5. Therefore, Kevin's age is 5 and Kim's age is 13. So 5 and 13 is the answer. Okay, let's check. So it's letter B. Okay, madali na po ba? Ito po. Robert is 15 years older than his brother Stan. So is present. However, y years ago, so past, Robert was twice as old as Stan. If Stan is now b years old and b is greater than y, find the value of b minus y. So, at present, ito po yung age ni Stan. So, ito po ay age ni Stan y years ago. So, ayun po ang ating hinahanap. Okay? Table. Ang edad daw po ni Stan at present ay b. So, let's make Robert's age as a. Then, y years ago, a minus y, b minus y. Going back to the problem, the first condition, Robert is 15 years older than his brother. Please take note of downward, which means which. Therefore, our equation will be Robert's age is equal to brother Stan's age is b, 15 years older. Medyo critical po ito kapag hindi po addition ang ating operation. So, we have to take note of this word done, which means switch word. Okay po? Then, the second condition, however, y years ago, ito po, ang edad daw po ni Robert, which is a minus y, is twice daw po ng edad ni Stan, which is b minus y. Then, ang hinahanap po natin ay b minus y. So, hindi na po tayo gagamit ng calculator. Then here, yung a natin na equal to b plus 15 ay iso-substitute po natin dito. Therefore, b plus 15 copy minus y is equal to 2 times the quantity of b minus y. We are to solve for b minus y, right? So, pagsama-samahin po natin ang ating by. Therefore, 2 times the quantity of b minus y minus b plus y is equal to 15. Then simplify 2b minus b is equal to b. Then negative 2y plus y is equal to minus y. Then copy 15. So ito na po yung ating sagot. We are to solve for b minus y. Therefore, the answer is 15. Let's check sa ating option and it is letter A. Okay? Madali na po, di ba? So, problem number 4. Here, okay lang kahit hindi na po tayo gumawa ng table. John is 3 times as old as Jamie. So, present. Then, 3 years ago, past ulit, John was 4 times as old as Jamie. Find the sum of their ages. So, let X be present age of John and Y be the present age of Jamie. So, at present, X is equal to 3y. Okay? This is our first condition. How about 3 years ago? So, 3 years ago, ang edad po ni John ay x minus 3 at ang edad naman ni Jamie ay y minus 3, right? So, x minus 3 is equal to 4 times y minus 3. Okay? Then, input po natin. We have ang x natin is equal to 3y, therefore y is equal to x over 3, okay? So, x minus 3, kasi si x lang po yung babasahin ng ating calculator, therefore, si y na po ang ating i-adjust. Therefore, y is equal to alpha x over 3, okay? I-manipulate lang po natin, lalaro-laruin lang po natin. Then, meron na po tayong sagot. Ganun lang po yun. Shift calc. The answer is 27. So, si John daw po ay 27 years old. But, y is equal to x over 3. So, divide 3 pa natin ito. Then, 9 po ang edad ni Jamie. we have to solve for the sum. So, plus 27, the answer is 36. Una pa lang, since 27 yung edad po ni John, eliminated na ang A, B, and C. But, syempre, kailangan po natin ipakita. Therefore, the answer is letter D. Problem number 5. A girl is 1/3 as old as her brother and 8 years younger than her sister. The sum of their ages is 38. How old is the girl? So, meron po tayong tatlo. Si girl, si brother, at si sister. So, this one. Si girl daw po ay 1/3 ng age ni brother. So, bakit hindi na po tayo gumawa ng table? Dahil present age naman po ito. Hindi naman na po natin kailangang mag-compute nung previous age or future. So, dito ay tatlo nga lang po ang involved. So, let girl's age is equal to G, and B is for brother's age, and S for sister's age. So, we are to solve for G, okay? So, girl is 1/3 as old as her brother, okay? So, this is the first equation. And girl is 8 years younger than. So, we have done. Therefore, age ni sister minus 8. Ayan po, nakita na po natin. Kung ginawa po natin siyang 8 minus S, mali na po sa ating pagka-translate. Kaya kailangan po ang ating done. Kailangan po natin siyang i-consider na switch word. Kapag plus, okay lang. Pero how about other operations? And the third condition, the sum of their ages is 38. Therefore, we have G plus B plus S is equal to 38. Okay? Then, we are to solve for G. Getting our calculator, dito na po natin ilalagay. So, let G be equal to X sa ating calculator. Then, what is B? B is 3G. So, this will be 3X. Then, sister's age, S is equal to G plus 8. So, plus X plus 8, which is equal to 38. Nasusundan po ba? Which is equal to 38. So, ayan, lahat ay naka in terms of X na. Okay? Ulit. We are to solve for girl's age, but hindi po pwede ang G sa ating calculator. Kaya gagamitan po natin ng X instead of G. Okay? So, ito, kukopyahin natin G, X po dito. Then, B. From first condition, B is equal to, ita-times natin, so 3G, 3X po dito. S, from second condition, si S ay G, ililipat po natin doon, kaya magiging G plus 8, so X plus 8 naman po dito, at ang total ng kanilang age ay 38. Then, to solve for X, shift calc, equal sign, the answer is 6. Therefore, 6 years old po pala si girl. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Okay, ayan. Madali na po ba? Okay. Nasasanay na po kasi tayo, so kayang-kaya na po yan. Again, ililink na lang po natin kung paano mag-translate ng English sentences into mathematical equations or expression. Problem number 6. Maha is now 18 years old and her colleague Angel is 14 years old. How many years ago was Maha twice as old as Angel? Okay? So, nagkamali ako. Sorry. So, no need na. Direct na po natin. Present in at saka ago. So, past. Magma-minus tayo. How many years ago? So, ima-minus natin. So, let that years ago be equal to X? So Maha is now 18 years old and her colleague Angel is 14 years old. Therefore, years ago, si Maha ay 18 minus X age. Okay? Then, twice as old as Angel. Then, twice, so 2 times 14 ngayon si Angel, ilales po natin ng X years ago. Ayan. Then, shift calc, equal sign, the answer is 10, letter D. Nakita na po kanina. Sorry. So, ganun lang po. Kapag sanay na tayo, pwede na po natin direct na sa ating calculator. Problem number 7. And ito ang okay lang. Parang yung number 1 lang naman natin. So, gagawa po tayo ng table dito kasi medyo tricky. Okay, so let's do this. We have father and son. A father tells his son, I was your age now when you were born. If the father is now 38 years old, how old was his son 2 years ago? So, father, ang sabi daw, if father is now 38 years old at present, so 38 na si father. Then, ang hinahanap ay how old was his son 2 years ago. So, ang andito po pala ay may present at yung kasing edad ni father si son ngayon at yung 2 years ago na hinahanap na age ni son. Okay, so hindi na po natin ilalagay yung 2 years ago kasi i-minus na lang po natin yon sa makukuha nating S dito ng son. So, age ng son, present age. And let be son's age equal to S at present. Ang sabi po dito sa first condition, I was your age now when you were born. So, past years, let's say Y years ago, kasi hindi naman po sinabi kung ilang years ang nakakaraan. Then, kung ano yung age ni son ngayon, ayun din yung age ni father years ago. Just the same. Halos same case po ng problem number 1 natin. And that years ago, I was your age now when you were born. So, nung ipinanganak siya, wala pa po siyang edad kasi hindi pa siya, kasi kakapanganak lang, hindi pa po siya nag-birthday. So, that is why 0 po ang andito. And again, just like number 1, constant po ang age gap. Therefore, 38 minus X, alpha X, kasi magbo-variable error po tayo niyan, then is equal to S, X. S which is X po dito. Hindi na po natin ilalagay yung 0. So, dito, kayang-kaya naman, 38 is equal to 2X. X is equal to 19. So, this one. Therefore, 19 years old nang naging tatay si father. Ayan lang po yun. At 19 years old na po ngayon ang kanyang anak. And the question, how old was his son 2 years ago? Therefore, 19 minus 2 is equal to 17. So, ito po yung edad ng anak. Son's age is 17 years old 2 years ago as he is 19 years old now. Okay? 17. So, anong letter po ang 17? Letter B. Medyo mabilis po ba? Kapag pinanood po natin ulit, pwede naman po natin i-adjust ang speed. Okay po? So, problem number 8. This one. 6 years ago, Maya was 5 times as old as Richard. In 5 years, Maya will be 3 times as old as Richard. What is the present age of Richard? Okay? So, here, okay, gawa po tayo ng ating table dahil meron po tayong 6 years ago, meron po tayong in 5 years time. So we have the past, present, and future. Ayun, sinakop na po nila lahat. The first condition, 6 years ago, so ito po yung consideration natin. Maya was 5 times as old as Richard. So here is our first condition. Age ni Maya is y minus 6, 5 times daw ng age ni Richard, which is x minus 6. So at present, y is Maya's age and x is Richard's age. Richard's age. Ayan po. Kaya naging ganito po ang age nila 6 years ago. Second, in 5 years, Maya will be 3 times as old as Richard. Okay? Here. So, dito, in-terms lang po natin sa ganyan para maiwan ang x which is Richard's age. So, isahang solve. In 5 years, y plus 5 ay 3 times daw po as old as Richard. So, 3 times Richard's age. And we have y here. Isa-substitute natin dito. Then, ito na po ang ating, ayan, y 5x minus 24 copy 5, then 3 times the quantity of x plus 5. Then, ito na po yung input natin sa ating calculator para ma-solve natin ang age ni Richard. 5x minus 24 plus 5 shift equals 3 times alpha x plus 5. Again, mas madali mag-shift solve kapag na-simplify, but it's up to you. So, the answer is 17. Richard is 17 years old at present. Okay, so that is letter A. Okay, madali na po ba? Kayang-kaya na? So, next, problem number 9. At present, the sum of the parents' age is twice the sum of the children's age. 5 years ago, so present time, 5 years ago, and 15 years after. So, tatlo din. 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' age was 4 times the sum of the children's age. 15 years hence, so 15 years after, the sum of the parents' age will be equal to the sum of the children's age. How many children are there? Okay, so paano po ito? At present, meron po tayong sum ng present age, sum ng parents' age rather, and sum ng children's age. So yun po ang ating ilagay dito. Let P be the sum of parents, P, sum of parents' age at present. Ayan, at present. Then, sum of children's age at present, B, C. C, children, C. Then, the question is, how many children are there? So, let X be the number of children na ating hinahanap. Okay? So, balikan po natin ang conditions. At present, ito, sum of parents' age, which is P, is twice the sum of children's age at present. So, at present, ayan na. Therefore, P is equal to 2C. Medyo masalimuot sa unang basa natin, pero kapag hinimay-himay naman, ay kaya naman po. 5 years ago, so ibig sabihin, mag-less po tayo ng 5 sa age ng bawat isa, right? So, 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' age was 4 times the sum of the children's age. So, dito po, 5 years ago, therefore, kung yung sum ng parents' age is P at present, sum ng parents' age. 5 years ago, di ba po, magma-minus tayo ng 5 sa age ng bawat isa. Dahil parent, we have mother and father, therefore, 10 years ang ima-minus po natin sa sum ng parents' age, right? So, therefore, P minus 10. So, that is for parents' age. which is equal to 4 times the sum of children's age. So dito naman po, ang sum of children's age at present is C. Then magma-minus po tayo ng 5 years. So 5 times the number of children, right? Kasi sum po ito eh. Okay, so P minus 10 is equal to 4 times the quantity of C, where the sum of children's age, magma-minus po tayo no number of children times 5. Kaya 5x. Nakuha po? Kasi magma-minus po tayo ng 5 sa bawat tao. And hindi po natin alam kung ilan ang anak, kaya x, at ang C po natin ay sum of children's age, right? Kaya naging ganito po ang ating equation. Then, since we are to solve for x, papalitan po natin si P ng 2C para C and x na lang po ang matitira nating variable. Okay? So, 2C minus 10 is equal to 4 times C minus 5x. This is for the second condition. How about this one? 15 years hence. So, 15 years after. Okay, so, 15 years after, ang edad po natin ay magiging plus 15. Dahil mother and father, therefore, 15 times 2 is 30. Therefore, P plus 30. Kasi sum, di ba po? So, P plus 30. Okay? How about will be equal? So, equated lang po natin sa C plus 15. Di ba? 15 years after. So, plus 15 times the number of children. Dahil sum nga po. Kaya naging 15x. Nakuha po? Dahil sum, magko-consider po tayo ng number of children times the number of years na kailangan nating i-consider dito dahil in the future. Dito naman, nag-minus po tayo 5 times the number of children dahil ima-minus po natin yun dahil ago, years ago. Ito naman ay future, 15 years after. Ganon. Kaya naging plus 15x minus 5x dito. Then minus 10 dahil dalawa, mother and father, 5 times 2 is 10. And dito naman is 15 years times 2, kaya plus 20. Then, isa-substitute po ulit natin dito ang 2c. Magpapareho na po ngayon dito. Na 2c and x na lang. Okay, ayan. Then, what's next? Here. C is equal to C minus C is equal to C. Okay? Then, 15x copy. Tawid ang 30 kaya naging negative 30. Etong C na to ay isa-substitute po natin dito. Then, kuha natin ang ating calculator. Ayan. Kunin natin ang ating calculator. Yan. Then, 2 times C. What is C? 15 alpha x minus 30. Okay? Then, 2C minus 10. Minus 10 equated to 4 times C. Ito po ulit, 15x minus 30. Then, minus 5 alpha x. Ayan. X na po ang naiwan. Shift solve or shift calc equal sign. The answer is 5. So, the number of children is 5. May 5 anak po ang ating mag-asawa. Okay? So, what's the answer? Letter C, number 5. Okay? And our last problem, number 10. Tom is now twice as old as Jerry. 4 years ago, Tom was 3 times as old as Jerry then. How old is Tom? Kayang-kaya na po itong direct sa ating calculator. So, let's move this one. Okay. So, here, the present. So, we are to solve for Tom. So, si Tom ang gawin po nating X. Okay, X. Tom is now twice as old as Jerry is equal to 2y. So, let X be Tom's age and Jerry to be Y, present age. Jerry's present age, okay? This is the first condition. The second condition, 4 years ago, therefore, alpha X minus 4 for Tom's age, then Tom was 3 times as old as Jerry. This is 4 years ago. So, 3 times as old as Jerry. So, Y, 4 years ago, minus 4. Okay? So, pwede namang ganito kung ayaw na pong maggawa ng table. So, ito po yung condition. Since we are to solve for X, right? Therefore, papalitan po natin si Y in terms of X. Therefore, si Y ay X over 2. Okay? Y is equal to X over 2. So, magiging X over 2 po ito. Alpha X over 2. Then, delete na po natin itong unang condition. Then, shift calc, solve for X. The answer is 16. So, how old is Tom? It's letter B, 16 years old. And that is all for our age problem. Hope meron pong learnings. Thank you for watching and please share this video to our fellow LET takers. God bless everyone.